Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add YIP as a custom payment gateway in Woocommerce on our WordPress site. Adding alternative payment options like gift can make our store more accessible for local customers. The purpose of adding gift as a custom payment gateway is to give customers another way to pay for their orders by integrating gift. With this, we can accept mobile-based payments, check affordability, and increase conversions, especially if our target market uses this payment method often. Let's go through the steps together so we can add YIP as one of the payment gateways in WooCommerce. First, open our browser. Once our browser is open, we go to commerce.com. After logging into our account, we go to the next step, which is to select My Stores. Click My Stores, and then click our store so we can go to the WordPress admin section. Now, we are in the dashboard of WordPress. The first thing we need to do is go to WooCommerce and then Settings. At the top, select Payments. Here, we can set up payment options. We can add YIP in this application by clicking and completing the setup. If we want to add more payment methods, just click More Payments. This will guide us to more options like cryptocurrencies, buy now, pay later, wallets, and credit options. We just need to search here and add them. Download or install them so that they will be available in WooCommerce for our payment methods. It's very simple. We just need to find the payment methods, download, install, and activate them on WooCommerce via WordPress. Once everything is configured correctly, our customers will be able to select gift at checkout and complete their purchase smoothly.